So that's the first part. It's about leadership, ambidextrous leadership. It's about managing the core, but having the mindset and incentives to explore the edge. Now, having that in place is part one. The second part that needs to be there as well is how do you manage innovation and reduce the risk that you take through innovation. What needs to happen is some kind of stage gate approach to really validate certain things at certain points. So let me give you an example. In the first stage, when we're exploring a market, what we really want to understand is which customers have what problem and how are they solving their problems today and who would we compete with to solve that problem. If we understand that space, that's not innovation. That's really marketing insights and understanding your customers. If we know that really well and we find, hey, there are some customer segments that are really underserved, their needs are not being met, that's a great opportunity to dig into. Does it align with our strategy? We need to evaluate that as well. But if we can evaluate that, we reduce the first level of risk, which is the market risk. The second risk that we need to think about is the technical risk. Can we actually build a viable working solution or business model? And that has a much more of a technical aspect to it. So we put on our engineering hats and our coding hats and our technology hats, and we really try to create great products, services, and experiences that will work. If we can start testing out in that space, we will find out by testing with customers what really works and what doesn't. So that really manages the technical risk aspect of innovation. The final risk is the financial risk. And the financial risk is saying, well, now that we know what customers need, we have a solution that will fulfill their needs, can we actually make money in it? And that financial risk is the last part of the innovation funnel. Then we really need to scrutinize what's the cost to serve. What is the right business model to bring this to market? What will that look like? If we can answer all three stages here, incrementally, we can really reduce risk along the journey of innovation.